And on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to throw a pottery bowl on a potter's wheel. But before I do that, we need to talk a little bit about clay. And the clay body that I'm going to use today is called Hopkins White. And also what we're going to talk about is temperatures. And one way that potters use to measure the temperature in the kiln is that we use cone packs. And in this one I have a cone 9, cone 10, and cone 11. And I like to fire to cone 11, which is approximately 2,400 degrees. Cone 10 is right around 2,345 degrees. And this tells me, as I look through a peephole in the gas kiln, the finish kiln, is where all the magic happens, where the glaze melts into glass. I look through a peephole, and each one of these cones at a different temperature starts to bend. And when it gets to bending flat, I know that what temperature I'm at and when to turn the kiln off. Now I have 4 different kilns that I use to fire my pieces.